If you want to change the theme of the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video, I will show you how you can do that. Now to change the theme of your tablet, first of all, just open the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now from here, just install this app on your tablet. Then tap on Open. Now just tap on anywhere on the screen to remove this notification. Now under the Not Installed section, just look for the option of Good Lock. Then tap on Good Lock and select Visit FindLock homepage. And from here, just scroll down and look for the option of Good Lock. Then tap on it. Now just install Good Lock on your tablet. Select Download Anyway. Then tap on Open. Select Install. Tap on Open. Now as you can see, we have successfully installed Good Lock on our tablet. Select Agree and Continue. Now just go to your home screen. Now after you install Good Lock, then go back to FindLock. Now this time just look for the option Theme Park. Tap on Theme Park and select Visit FindLock homepage. And with the same method, just download Theme Park on your tablet. Just scroll down. Now just tap on this version of Theme Park. Now from here, just tap on Download APK. Then select Download Anyway. Tap on Open. And select Install. Select Open. And once you do that, you will open Theme Park on your tablet. And from here, you will be able to customize the theme of your tablet. Now to customize the theme, under the Theme section, just tap on Create New. Now if you want to change the wallpaper of your tablet, you can do it from here. Just tap on the gallery and select your wallpaper. Now for example, I will select this wallpaper, but you can customize it later from your home screen. Just select your wallpaper. For example, I will select this wallpaper, then tap on Next. Now from here, you will be able to customize the UI of your tablet. You can change the wallpaper of your lock screen from here. Now also, if you tap on the Control Center, you will be able to customize the Control Center. For example, I will select this color. Now after you customize the colors of the Control Center as you like, just swipe to the left side and customize the app UI color. Just like that. Now after you've done that, now just go back and select the keyboard if you want to customize it too. For example, I will customize the keyboard just like that. And once you're done customizing the UI color, just tap on the download icon and give a name to the theme which we have created. Now just tap on OK. As you can see, this is the theme which we have created. Now just tap on it and select Apply. Now just wait for a few seconds. Now as you can see, if we open the Control Center, as you can see, we have customized the color of the Control Center and the keyboard and also the app UI color. As you can see, we have successfully customized the theme of our tablet. Now to customize the app icons, just go back to the Theme Park and tap on Icons at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Create New. Now first of all, just select the shape for the app icons. For an example, I will select the circle and then tap on Effects, and from here just select Dew Tone. Now you can either select this default color or you can change it from here. Now once you're done creating your app icons, just tap on Download and give a name to the icons which we have created. Select Done and tap on OK. Now from here just tap on the icon theme which we have created and select Apply. Now if you go to your home screen, as you can see, we have successfully customized the app icons on our tablet. Now to change the wallpaper, just tap and hold on the empty space on your home screen and select Wallpaper and Style. Tap on Change Wallpaper, then select Gallery. Now just select the photo from your gallery app, then tap on Done. Select Next. Now from here, you can customize the clock on the lock screen. For example, I will change its color to something like this. You can add widgets or you can remove the widgets as you like. Now after you're done customizing the lock screen, just tap on Done. Now if you go to your home screen, as you can see, this is how you can change the theme of your tablet. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.